Types of party system, political party system. The political party can be established, can be formed by an individual according to their constitution. So, a group of people who is having their same political ideology, same political views, on behalf of that, they can form their own political party in that particular locality or within the state or particular religion, a particular region. So there are several political types of political parties. These political parties can be classified into three: single party system, bi-party system, or two-party system, or multi-party system. Third one is multi-party system. Single party system. So this single party system, it was following in China and North Korea. There is one party. Within the party, elections may be conducted in the states. So in this system, party will declare members to contest in the elections. There is elections within the party, that is called as single party system. There is no alternative party in the state. In China, Communist Party of China, North Korea, there is also single party system. And number two is bi-party system, dual party system. Dual party system followed by USA and Britain. They are following USA and Britain. There is in USA particularly there is recognized two parties, a Republican Party and Democratic Party. There is competition between these two. There is no alternative party. There is no other parties in the state. So in USA there is two-party system. Always there is competition between these two parties. Whoever can capture power between these two party competition. In Britain, there is also two-party system. Conservative Party and Labour Party. There is competition between these two, Labour Party and Conservative Party. They can capture based on their ideology and political views. That is called as dual party system. Third one is multi-party system. In India, we are following multi-party system. There are number of political parties in our country. There are 7 national parties and 24 regional political parties and more than 2044 unrecognized political parties working in this country, in our country. Multi-party system. So there is competition among the various political parties. Number of political parties, national political parties and regional political parties. So according to constitution, an individual can form number of political parties within the state. Government can be run this nature. Without political party, there is no success of democratic system.